Good morning, dear students. My name is Manvi Sood, and I am lecturer in biology in Sant Ishwar Singh Ji Memorial Public School, Karmsar, Rajasthan, Ludhiana. As this is the first introductory video for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, 6th, 7th, and 8th, because I am teaching these classes in various scenarios, in various ways. So, as during this pandemic time, we all are eager to impart education in any manner, means we need to go on with the education. So, here is myself. Let me introduce first of all myself, that I am a lecturer in biology, and then I have completed my MSc B.Ed and MSc in botany and B.Ed, B.Ed in teaching of science and teaching of English. I have done these two important specializations during my B.Ed examinations or clearing my B.Ed degree. So in today's tutorial, I will make you learn and understand how to download the books of NCERT. First of all, we need to have a NCERT book. Downloading of NCERT book is important. So let's understand first of all how to download an NCERT book. This is a tutorial for how to download a NCERT book. So you can see that these are the ads which generally are associated. Now if you want to subscribe them, you can subscribe them. Now let us understand how to download an NCERT book. We will open up a portal here. You can see here, this is Google Net which is opening. You have to go to this net page, and then you have to write e-book NCERT. When you will write this e-book NCERT, then you will be directed towards the center where e-book NCERT is there. From NCERT books, all the books are available on this portal of NCERT. You can see this. See, this is the main portal of NCERT. You can see here all the books are available. There are according to publishers, according to various flip books are also available. So we need to, if we need to download NCERT books, we have to go to this PDF. So all the NCERT books are available here. Just have to go and select. Like if I want to download a book of class, suppose I teach bio in 12th class and 11th also, so I can use this 11th and 12th combined. Okay, so 11th and 12th combined class, and I am teaching it now. Sorry, this was for Urdu. If you want to, and now combined are generally languages, but I am teaching science, so I will take this class 12th, and then I'll direct the subject. I am teaching biology, so this is biology. And when you will point towards the book title, there will be different book titles. Like if you are teaching in Hindi, it's Jeev Vigyan. If you are teaching ecology and family sciences, it's part 1. If you are teaching in Urdu, then this another. Then biology here, we can go and select the biology, and now we have to direct towards go. So now this is the biology book. Any chapter you can, any part, any chapter you can download. But for downloading the complete book, you have to go download complete book. Now when you will click this download complete book, it will automatically download the file. Okay, so once it is downloaded, you can open it up and you can read. I'll show you how to do it. Now file is getting downloaded, still downloading. So if you want to see the detail, you can see the detail from here. Okay, so here my book is downloading in my files. So if you want to explore offline also, then we can go to explore offline, but still it's downloading, so it will take some time. See, it's 190.46 MBs. Okay, 7 minutes are left and 6 minutes are left. It take to download complete book, it takes the at least 10 minutes. So we are waiting for its complete download. Meanwhile, if I want another book to download, I can again go to this portal and I can select any class here. Like I'm selecting now class 9th. Suppose I want to download a book of class 9th, or I want to download a book of class 10th. So I'll go to class 10th and then I'll go for science, and then means because it's my subject, you can do it for your own. So here is the book which I am teaching, and then go. Okay. So when I'll direct this, now another book is going to get downloaded here. Okay. So they're asking that you want to do the cancellation of that download. No, you can cancel this if you don't want to, or you can download it one by one. Okay, so now it is getting downloaded, and we can see that here it's getting NCERT book. You can see here Z-Card, Z-Means for Arogya Setu app, etc. They are showing here. They will also show the downloading of the books. Okay. So I hope that you may have got that how a book is downloaded. Thank you so much for listening. Please do subscribe my channel if you want to know further. Let me tell you that I'm going to share now videos. I would be teaching here class 6th to 12th, means biology. Here I will be sharing videos for all the chapters one by one from 6th to 12th, because this is to help you out. This first video is to help you out, to make you understand how to download the NCERT. मतलब NCERT को कैसे डाउनलोड करना है ये मैंने यहाँ पर सिखाया है. पहले मैंने आपको एक बार इंग्लिश में ये सिखाया. अगर आप लोग चाहते हैं कि मैं इसको हिंदी में सिखाऊं, तो प्लीज़ आप मुझे ये ज़रूर मैसेज करिए, कमेंट्स लिखिए. स्पेशली इसमें नीचे कमेंट्स लिखिए कि मैम आप एक हिंदी का भी ऐसे ट्यूटोरियल टू डाउनलोड अ PDF फ्रॉम NCERT. दिस इज़ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. This is free of cost. Okay. Thank you so much for listening to me.